Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you the effect of my self-built gobos/mega traps at some drum recordings. For this test I use a Mapex Mars shell set. It contains a 14 by 6.5 inch snare drum, a 12 by 8 tom-tom, a 16 by 14 inch floor tom and a 22 by 18 inch kick drum. The cymbals are from the Piste 201 series. I have used a 14 inch hi-hat, a 16 inch crash and a 20 inch ride. On the snare and on the floor tom I used a Shure SM57 microphone. On the tom-tom I used a Biodynamic TGD57C microphone. For the overheads I used a matched pair of Rode NT5 and in the kick drum I used a Shure Beta 91A. Both overhead microphones are approximately 50 inch away from the center of the snare drum. I will play now a few seconds and you will hear all microphones soloed and then all microphones together as a mix. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.